Hey guys, Joe Lavin here with Kellysport for another episode of Kellysport Academy. Today we're talking a little bit about winterization. We've got Ryan Kelly here, one of our owners, and he oversees all of our service department, all those operations. Ryan, can you kind of tell us why winterization is so important, why we need to do it every year, and what all goes into it?
Yes, that's easy. Great question. It is a big part of boating. You do want to do it. You want to make sure you get your boat winterized because it is a very expensive oops if you don't. Every year we send out a winterization form just after Labor Day. We mail it to you guys. We can email it to you. That's when you sign up for when you're done with your boat, what you want done with it. You can go just a straight winterize. You can do winterize with all your annual maintenance. It's winterize with all your systems. But the main thing about winterize, Joe, is you want to make sure you get everything safe for the winter time. Your waste system, you've got gyros now, you've got windshield wipers, all those things to be made safe. If you don't, you could have an issue whenever you get your boat out for summer. So that's a really good question.
Definitely a very important thing you want to do every single year as it starts getting colder. We do have another video on what you have to do in the spring to get your boat ready for the summer.
Yep.
But like I said, Joe Lavin here with Ryan Kelly at Kellysport. Thank you for watching another episode of Kellysport Academy. We'll see you on the water.